Finally, I see a roadmap for fixing the U.S. healthcare and education systems. In my 30 years as an entrepreneur and venture capitalist, I've seen thousands of pitches from entrepreneurs who have been trying to tackle these two monolithic industries. Even my mentor, Clayton Christensen, wrote 2 books really dedicated to laying out frameworks and roadmaps for how these industries could be tackled, really to no avail. But with AI, this is going to be different. It's very clear to me that over the next generation, maybe sooner, that we're going to be able to disrupt these 2 industries, bringing more power and access, education and healthcare, which we all so desperately need. I hope you join me as I share some of the companies we invest in that are tackling healthcare and education and in other industries. AI is a game changer. We're excited to be part of it. Look forward to sharing it with you.